Everyone, I am Mansi Meravi, student of 4th year from JNKVV College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today I am going to talk about seed certification and its procedure. Before going to the point, we should know what is seed. Seed is a matured ovule which consists of an embryonic plant with storage of food and surrounded by a protective seed coat. From the technical point of view, seed is fertilized ripened ovule consists of seed coat, embryo, endosperm, which in due course give it rise to a new plant. Also an agricultural input to grow the crop. Now we talk about seed certification. Seed certification is a process designed to maintain and make available good quality of seed, or we can say propagating material of notified kind, to the general public. It is a legal system for quality control. It includes inspection of field, seed sampling, etc. In order to achieve the requirement, the seed certification department carries out the certification work in various crop varieties notified under Seed Act 1966. Before moving forward, we must know about history of seed certification. The evaluation of seed crop and its certification started with the establishment of National Seed Corporation in 1963. Maharashtra was the first state to establish an official seed certification agency during 1970 as a part of the Department of Agriculture. At present, India has 22 states with their own seed certification agency established under the Seed Act 1966. And the last one is, in India, seed certification is voluntary and labeling is compulsory. Here we have objectives of seed certification. The main objective of seed certification is to monitor, regulate and ensure the production of quality seed under certification production. It will help in accomplishing production of superior variety. Second, rapid increase of new varieties in general accepted names. And the last one, continuous supply of good quality material by careful maintenance. There are some eligibility required for seed certification. Seeds of only those varieties which are notified under Section 5 of Seed Act 1966 are eligible to get certified. They should fulfill certain requirements. First is general requirement. It should be a notified variety under Section 5 of the Indian Seed Act. Second one, field standard. The field standard are it should include selection of sites, isolation requirement, spacing, planting ratio, border rows, etc. Third one, specific requirement. Presence of off type in any seed crop, disease affected plants, objectionable weed plant, etc. should be within maximum permissible limit of certification. And the last one, seed standards. Minimum seed certification standards have been evolved crop wise. Looking forward for the seed certification procedure. It includes the following steps. First one, application for seed production. Second one, registration of sowing report. Third, field inspection. Fourth, seed processing. Fifth, seed sampling and seed analysis. Sixth, tagging and sealing. First one, application for seed production. Anyone who wants to take up certified seed production has to submit 3 copies of sowing report to additional director of seed certification to register the crop and sowing season with rupees 25 registration fees and charges required for certification. Along with the fees, producer must submit label of seed source. And the second, registration of sowing report. As the additional director received the sowing report, she registered the seed from and properly assigned a seed certification number for each sowing report. This is a sample form of sowing report where producer has to fill all the mandatory information. Next is Field inspection. Main objective of field inspection is to check the factors which may affect genetic purity and physical health of the seed. Inspections would be conducted by seed certification officer. Number of field inspection can vary from crop to crop. Generally, field inspection carried out during pre-flowering stage, flowering stage, post-flowering and pre-harvest stage and harvesting time. At least 2 field inspections should be conducted for any crop. There are some other steps involved in field inspections. Field inspection should be conducted during flowering stage for all the crop except self-pollinated crop. Second, complete details of seed certification should be explained to the farmer. Third, grower producer must visit the farm during field inspection along with seed certification officer. Fourth, in the inspection report, the seed certification officer must record the rough sketch of seed farm with boundaries and directions. The seed certification officer can reject the seed farm if the size of the seed farm exceeds the registered size when there is no cultivation of crop in the registered seed farm, seed crop affected by flood or poor crop management, inability to carry out minimum number of field inspections, difference found in the seed farm when compared with the sowing report, etc. Now we will talk about seed processing. After the harvesting, the seed is taken to processing unit. Each seed lot should match with processing report. Processing includes cleaning, drying, grading, treating and other operations to improve the seed quality. The seed certification officer will inspect the processing plant to check the possibility of mechanical mixture. Seed lot must have prescribed moisture level. In case of paddy, float out test is carried out in order to test the quality of processing seed lot. Seed lot must be processed within 3 months of delivery. Now comes seed sampling and analysis, where seed sample sent to the seed testing laboratory for analysis through additional director of seed certification. The fees of ₹30 should be paid during registration of farm. Producer must pay ₹200 to the additional director of seed certification for analysis of genetic purity of seed sample. Seed lot which fulfill the requirement of seed certification alone will be allotted the seed certification tag or label. Here we have sample application form for processing report. Here again producer or farmer has to fill all the details. Last one, the tagging. Seed lot which are approved should be tagged within 2 months of the receipt from seed analysis or 30 days from the date of genetic purity test has been performed. The green color 10 to 15 centimeter producer tag should be attached along with the certification tag. The validity period of the certificate. It should be 9 months from the date of test. The validity can be extended for 6 months if the seed confirms the physical purity, germination, and insect damage for all seed except vegetatively propagation material, which has to be re-examined for the seed standard. A seed lot will be eligible for extension of the validity period as long as it conforms to the prescribed standards.